Hello students. So মই আগৰ এদিন তোমালোকক ক্লাছ 10 টি ফ্ৰম আসাম চেপ্টাৰটো পঢ়াই দিছিলোঁ। আজি তাৰে কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ কেইটামান কনসাল্ট কৰিম। ওকে, সো এটা চেপ্টাৰৰ বেছি কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ পঢ়িব নালাগে। মিছামিছি বহুতে এটা চেপ্টাৰৰ পৰা 20টা 25টা কৰি কোৱেশ্চন পঢ়ে, ইমান পঢ়িব দৰকাৰ নাই। কেইটামান কোৱেশ্চন পঢ়িলে ভেৰি ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কোৱেশ্চন কেইটা মই দি আছোঁ। দিছ মে কাম ইন ইয়ৰ HSLC এক্সাম। ওকে, সি Who is Pranjal? Pranjal is a youngster from Assam. Then who is Rajbir? Rajbir is Pranjal's classmate in Delhi. Okay. Then what is Pranjal's father? মই নিজে কোৱেশ্চন কেইটা বনাই দিছোঁ কাৰণ ইয়াতে বেকসাইড কোৱেশ্চন নাছিল। Pranjal's father is the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam. Then what was a magnificent view? It was green everywhere. Against the backdrop of densely wooded hills, a sea of tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. Dwarfing the tiny tea plants were tall sturdy shade trees, and amidst the orderly rows of bushes busily moved doll-like figures. The next question may be, what was the Chinese legend about tea? Very very important. Chinese legend and Indian legend very very important. There was a Chinese legend about tea that one Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. One day a few leaves of the twigs burning under the pot fell into the water, giving it a delicious flavor. It is said they were tea leaves. অসমীয়াত মই বুজাই দিছোঁ, এইকাৰণে এনসাৰটো আকৌ অসমীয়াত বুজাই দিয়া নাই, চেপ্টাৰ বুজাওঁতে মই বুজাই দিছিলোঁ। Then what is the Indian legend? There is an Indian legend about tea that Bodhidharma, an ancient Buddhist ascetic, cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditations. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids. The leaves of these plants, when put in hot water and drunk, banished sleep. Then, where and when did tea was drunk for the first time? Tea was first drunk in China as far back as 2700 BC. Then, when did tea come to Europe? Tea came to Europe only in the 16th century and was drunk more as medicine than as beverage. Then the last question, how was the tea estate? This is also very important. On both sides of the gravel road were acre upon acre of tea bushes, all neatly pruned to the same height. Groups of tea pluckers with bamboo baskets on their backs, wearing plastic aprons, were plucking the newly sprouted leaves. Okay. See again this page. So I have given eketa question answer disu moi from the tea from Assam. If you read these questions, it is very important for your metric exam. Ekhinir pora ahibo aru hoday moi ta kosu kitao meaning kitab noporiba. Always go through the main book. hoday main kitabkhon thoroughly poriba. Main kitabor pora ji question ahe, you can write them. Main kitabkhon jodi tumalokor buja thake tenahole you can write. Tumi jikono answer likhibo pariba. Jodi okol mukhosto kora keitaman 50টা question ate chapter or pagla by chance common noporil, then you will be unable to write anything. Tete eku likhibo nwariba. Ekarone kitao committing and vomiting this tendency, always give up. এই টেন্ডেন্সিটো নাৰাখিবা যে মুখস্থ কৰিম আৰু তাতে লিখি দিম। সেইটো প্ৰচেছ ৰাখিলে কিন্তু কেতিয়াও তোমালোক জীৱনত উন্নতি নহ'ব। বুজি বুজি পঢ়িবা, ভাল কৰি পঢ়িবা, পৰীক্ষাত গৈ লিখিবা, গোটেই জীৱন মনত থাকিব। চাবা তোমালোক ধুনীয়া কৰি পঢ়া। মই যিকেইটা দিছোঁ অসুবিধা হ'লে ইউ কেন আস্ক মি। অ'কে।